Alright, let's look at the homework 1.2, problem number 6. Alright, so we want to find an expression for a cubic function if f of 1 is 24 and f of negative 3, f of 0, f of 2 are all equal to 0. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we're going to look at these last three conditions here. These are actually telling you the zeros. So you can see that negative 3, 0, 2. So it tells you that the original function f of x, right, becomes 0 when x equals negative 3, which means that this function has to have a factor quantity x plus 3, and 0, which means that it has to have x, right? And also 2, so which means that the corresponding factor would be x minus 2, right? Then there might be, so this is already a cubic function, so we cannot have any more x's, but we could have some number, say constant a in front, right? So we know that the function f of x should look like this. At least you have to have these three factors, and you could have a constant in front. Alright, then we use the last condition. So when x equals 1, function value is 24. So let's plug in 1. So f of 1 is equal to a times 4 times 1 times 1 minus 2, so it's negative 1. So that will be negative 4a, right? And this is supposed to be equal to 24, right? So we can find the a value. So a value would be just to divide through by negative 4. So we get that a is equal to negative 6. Alright, so therefore, a function that we are looking for, f of x, is equal to negative 6 in front. Then you have x plus 3 times x times quantity x minus 2. Right? So this is the function that we're looking for. Right? So let's type it in. Alright, the answer we found was negative 6 and quantity x plus 3 times x times quantity x minus 2. Right? So let's check the answer. So by going down and submit for testing. Alright, it came back and it looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.